important and difficult ones. See, as I said, nothing is difficult if your concept becomes stronger day by day. Avan, do you know what is SI unit of Boltzmann constant? Yes, Avan? SI unit of Boltzmann constant? You know? Forgot? Anybody's remembering? Arya? Pranjali? Isha? Neha?
Sir,
Very
joules
good,
per
very good,
Kelvin.
very good, very good. Joule per Kelvin. Perfect. Now, in the given figure, three charged particles in the figure, three charged particles are moving in electric field. Find the signs of three charge. Finding sign means whether positive or negative of three charge which particle has the highest charge to mass ratio. Charge to mass ratio is also called as specific charge. Now I'm showing you a diagram. You have to copy till that. So this is one plate positive, here another negative. That means there is field between plus to minus. This is line of symmetry. One charge moves upward. Second charge. One minute, just write this much, then I'm drawing the figure again. Question draw, right first.
Done, sir.
Done? This is one plate, another plate, this is the upper plate is positive, lower plate is negative. This is one charge, second charge, third charge, first charge is moving up, second is moving up, third is coming down. So we have to find out of these three charges, 1, 2, 3, what are their signs? Can anybody tell me towards positive plate which charge will move? Towards positive who will move?
Negative.
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 So 1 and 2 should be negative, na? And 3 should be positive. So that idea you got. So since negative charge should move towards positive plate, and positive charge should move towards negative plate. So I can say first charge is negative, second charge is negative, and third charge is positive. I think these three things you all followed.
Yes, sir.
Now, who will have highest charge to mass ratio? I can see clearly here deflection. If deflection मतलब y पे ये सेंट्रल था ना, ये y पे इतना ट्रेवल किया, ये y पे इतना, ये y पे इतना. So if I get something related to y and charge, then I can get my answer. No, y means displacement. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now electrical force will give electrical. Any force gives acceleration. What is formula for acceleration? Is it force upon mass? Correct.
Yes, sir.
And force is Q into E by definition. This equation followed acceleration.
Yes,
Correct? Na?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Initially it is having no vertical velocity. So displacement along y is ut plus half at square. That means y is 0t plus half qe by mass into t square. So y is half qe by mass into t square. All the charges are traveling for same time. So I can clearly see y is proportional to q by m. सबके लिए field same है, time same है. So this I got second equation. कौन से charge? Which one? First, second, third. किसका q? Y सबसे ज्यादा. Diagram से can you analyze? किसका y सबसे ज्यादा? This is 2 वाले का y. This is 1 वाले का
3.
3. So since
3.
correct. So since deflection of third is maximum, therefore its q by m is maximum. Any doubt? Hello, any doubt?
No, sir.
Very difficult sum, important for JEE. नीट के लिए आया तो थोड़ा और इजी कर सकते हो लोग. दैट मींस दो ही दिखाएंगे, खाली एक फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड और फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, सो दैट यू कैन इजीली दिखाओ. कॉपी. Any college has given any final timetable? Final exam timetable, any colleges delivered?
No, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Is everybody is done? Shall I clear it off?
Just a second, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Done, sir.
And oil drop has 12 excess electron. What is meaning of 12 excess electron? Meaning of 12 excess electron? Karan? Yes, Karan Bora, what is meaning of excess electron? Positive charge or negative charge?
Sir, negative.
Negative. So they're telling a oil drop has 12 excess electron, मतलब उसके पास 12 electron के जितना negative charge है. What is charge of one electron?
0.6 in 10 raised to minus.
Correct. So a oil drop has 12 excess electron is held stationary. Stationary means moving up or moving down. Yes, stationary means what? Moving up or moving down? Nobody's answering. Everybody's ekdam stationary, static.
Not moving up and down.
Neither moving up nor down. Anything which I keep in air, हवे में रखा तो किधर गिरेगा?
Down.
Downward. ये स्टेशनरी है, तो इसको कोई तो डाउनवर्ड में गिरने से रुका रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Its weight will pull it always downward, but it's remaining stationary. So there must be something which is pushing it upward. That something is electric field. So oil drop has 12 excess electron is held stationary under uniform electric field of 2.55 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per coulomb. The density of oil is 1.26 gram per centimeter cube. Estimate the radius of drop. Given G equals to 9.81 meter per second square. In place of 8, it is given 81, 9.81, and E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 2. See how to do this sum. Oil drop has 12 excess electron. That means I can say Q is equal to 12 E. Q means charge. Held stationary in a field of 2.55 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per coulomb. Density of oil is 1.26 gram per centimeter cube. That means 1.26 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg upon 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. 1.26 into 10 raised to plus 3 kg per meter. Find the radius of drop. R we have to find. Please copy this much data. Question copied. Can I clear?
Yes, sir, done.
So oil drop is remaining stationary in electric field means its weight is balanced by electrical force. Mohit, what is formula of weight? Mohit, formula of weight? Yes, Mohit, formula of weight? Swaraj, what is formula of weight?
mg.
Mg, correct. Tirtha is present? Tirtha is present? Nija, you are there? Can you tell me what is formula for electrical force?
1 by 4 pi epsilon 0.
In terms of intensity, say. In terms of intensity. Neva, what is formula for electrical force in terms of intensity?
Sir, intensity into charge.
Very good. So Q into E is electrical force, mg is the weight. Now they have not given mass, but density they have given. So I can say this is density into volume into G into QE. One sum I did in MCQ in terms of notation. Now density, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube into G. Q means nothing but 12 electron ka charge into E. So can I say r cube will be equals to 4 into 3 is 12. You can cancel. 3 into 3 9 into E upon rho into pi upon G rho pi G. Rho pi G. Till this clear? 3 3s are 9 E and this all I took into denominator rho pi G. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So R will be 9 E rho upon rho pi G in cube root of that. Correct or not? Tell me this much.
Yes, sir.
Just copy till this. Now I'm just putting all the values. R is 9 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. E is 2.55 into 10 raised to 4 upon density is 1.26 into 10 raised to 3 pi 3.14 G 9.81. This whole raised to 1 by 3. After this, please leave the space. This is log calculation. We'll stop here. If you complete, tell me so that I can give you new sums.
Yes, sir, done.
अभी एकदम simple, just to check whether you'll be able to answer or not. What is force between two small charged spheres carrying charges of 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air. I want you should solve this. You have to find magnitude and nature of force. Nature of force, so clearly you can say both are like charge means repulsive. Q1 is given, Q2 is given, R is given, F you want.
Eighteen into 10 raised to minus 4.
1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton.
2 into 10 raised to minus 7, 3 into 10 raised to minus 7, 30 centimeter apart. What you are getting?
18 into 10 raised to minus
1.8 into
No,
10 raised to minus 3.
Answer is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3.
Yes, sir. 6
Yes,
into
I
10.
got
Yes, sir. 6 into 10.
6 into 10 raised to minus 3 is correct. See, this is 9 into 10 raised to 9. First charge 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. Second charge 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon distance is 30. So 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 raised to 2. So this will become 9
6.
into 6 into 10 raised to minus 14, and this is minus 5 upon 9 into 10 raised to minus 2. So I think 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 is correct. All of you got same?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
earlier you were revealing different answers.
The squaring left.
I forgot R square.
Acha, acha. So can I clear this now?
Yes.
एकदम मस्त समय देखते हैं आपको जमेगा क्या ये. 2 positive charges are at distant of 0.1 meter repel each other with force of 18 Newton if sum of charges are 9 microcoulomb, then calculate their separate values. This also take 1 minute and try. See if it is MCQ, then see what will be my. Okay, first copy the question, so then I will explain. Copy the
Some of the
question.
charges are
9 microcoulomb.
okay.
9. Written? Question written? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I said, had it been MCQ where options would have been given, then from force I will find product of charge, and some they have given, है ना? So I will check from option किसका product and sum match होने वाला है, वही अपना आंसर है. But if options were there, now we have to solve this. Data. Have you followed what I said? From force, can you get product of charge?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this you get 10 and ये total दिया, ये product मिला मुझे 16 और ये total दिया 10. तो ऐसा कौन सा चार्ज जिसका आंसर प्रोडक्ट 16 होएगा? सपोज 2 8 है, तो डायरेक्टली यही हो गया ना, 2 into 8 16, 2 plus 8 10, वो मेरा आंसर है. ठीक है? हेलो, समझे आपको? हाँ, बट बिकॉज इट इज न्यूमेरिकल आई हैव टू एक्चुअली सॉल्व. लेट अस सी. Distance is 0.1 meter and force of repulsion is given 18 Newton. Sum of the charge, that means Q1 plus Q2 together is 10, 18, कितना microcoulomb? 9 microcoulomb. 9 microcoulomb. Individually we want Q1, individually we want Q2. So suppose I say let Q1 equals to X microcoulomb, that means X into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb, then Q2 will be 9 minus X microcoulomb. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, force formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. 18 is 9 into 10 raised to 9 Q1 X into 10 raised to minus 6 Q2 9 minus X into 10 raised to minus 6 upon R. 0.1 means 10 raised to minus 1 square. Who has not followed till this? Everybody has followed till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I simplify this further, it will become 18 equals to 9 into 10 raised to minus 6. Minus 6 is minus 12 and 10 raised to 9 will become minus 3. है ना? 10 raised to minus 3 upon 10 raised to minus 2. Am I correct in this? Yes, I'm correct in this.
Yes, sir.
So 18 equals to 9 into X into 9 minus X into 10 raised to minus 1, no?
Yes,
No?
sir.
So it will become X into 9 minus X equals to 18 upon 9 into 10 raised to minus 1. X into 9 minus X equals to 20. Please copy till this. Now it will become quadratic equation which you have to solve. But I will not do all this if option was given. Then we'll check kiska product and sum will be matching.
Done, sir.
Okay. So it will become 9x minus x square equals to 20. That means x square minus 9x plus 20 is 0. X minus 5, x minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 5 or x equal to 4. Therefore, when Q1 equals to 5 microcoulomb, Q2 will be 4 microcoulomb. And when Q1 is 4 microcoulomb, then Q2 is 5 microcoulombs. What are two charges? 5 microcoulomb and 4 microcoulomb. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So two charges are 5 microcoulomb, comma 4 microcoulomb. Khatam. Very good, Sam. Please copy.
Done, sir.
Next question. Two charges Q, comma Q are separated by certain distance. If capital Q is placed at center of two charges, what should be value of Q for system to be in equilibrium? Right, this question very important again. Mostly this will be MCQ based.
The two charges Q1 and Q, no?
Q comma Q, both are same. Q comma Q, both are Q. Shall I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
See, whatever may be the distance between Q and Q, capital Q is at center means midpoint. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So this is Q and Q are at certain distance. I am taking R. And capital Q is situated at center. Means can I take R by 2, R by 2? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by equilibrium?
This is 0.
Net force should be 0. इसका मतलब सब जगह पे फोर्स 0 होना चाहिए. तो ये इसका ऊपर फोर्स, इसको मैं नाम देता हूं फर्स्ट वाला चार्ज। ये फर्स्ट चार्ज, ये सेकंड चार्ज, ये थर्ड चार्ज। फॉर सिस्टम टू बी इन इक्विलिब्रियम, net force at all charges should be 0. Therefore, force acting on first due to second plus force acting on first due to third should be 0 or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
तो इसका ऊपर फोर्स ऑन फर्स्ट ड्यू टू थर्ड एंड फोर्स ऑन फर्स्ट। देखो इसको आई कैन नॉट चेंज, इसका मुझे आंसर चाहिए। ये प्लस भी हो सकता है माइनस, माय कॉमन सेंस सेज ये नेगेटिव चाहिए ना, तभी अट्रैक्शन आएगा ना ये फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड के बीच में ऐसा,
Yes, sir.
तभी जीरो होने का चांस है ना। अभी मुझे इतना टाइम पास नहीं करने का, तो मैं डायरेक्ट लिखा टोटल ऑफ फर्स्ट फोर्स सेकंड फोर्स 0। अभी निगेटिव आ जाएगा तो डायरेक्ट आंसर है अपना। नहीं समझा? हेलो
Yes, sir.
हेलो सी, एक स्टेप कैसा रहता है, पहले आप बोलते हैं डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट है तो ये नेगेटिव चाहिए, इसका मतलब F12 इक्वल टू F13 मैग्नीट्यूड सेम। मैंने क्या कर दिया, डायरेक्ट बोल दिया टोटल 0 चाहिए, मतलब F12 माइनस F13 होना चाहिए ना
सर
Sir.
हाँ।
सर वो दो क्यू के बीच में जो स्मॉल क्यू के बीच में फोर्स रहेगा ना,
उनसे दो कोई के बीच में,
वो दो स्मॉल क्यू के बीच में।
हाँ हर एक के बीच में फोर्स होएगा ना,
हाँ
फर्स्ट पे भी होएगा, सेकंड पे भी होएगा, थर्ड पे भी होएगा।
हाँ
यू कैन टेक एनी कंडीशन, मैंने फर्स्ट वाला लिया। नॉट फॉलोड।
नहीं,
अब ये फर्स्ट वाले पे थर्ड वाला रिपल्सिव फोर्स देगा ना ऐसा बाहर,
हाँ
तो सेकंड वाला अट्रैक्टिव देना चाहिए ना,
हाँ बराबर।
और दोनों का टोटल मिलके 0 होना चाहिए ना।
हाँ
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है?
मैं क्या सोच रहा था कि पहले क्यू कैपिटल क्यू और स्मॉल क्यू के बीच में फोर्स प्लस दूसरा स्मॉल क्यू प्लस कैपिटल क्यू के बीच में फोर्स प्लस दो स्मॉल क्यू के बीच में फोर्स।
नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है ना। एक चार्ज है उस पे ये दोनों ही चार्ज फोर्स देंगे ना, तो एक दो ही फोर्स आएगा ना हर एक पे, तीन कैसा होएगा? देखो this is q, this is q, this is q, so if you consider this, so this q will give force, this q will give force,
ओके
and if I consider this q, then this q and this q will give force, so at a time there will be only two force, huh?
अच्छा
Not followed still.
मैं
फोर्स के लिए कितना चार्ज लगता है?
टू फोर्सेस।
दो चार्ज लगता है ना फोर्स के लिए।
हाँ दो चाहिए।
हाँ तो इसके ऊपर फोर्स के लिए ये देगा, ये देगा, दो ही फोर्स हुआ ना।
हाँ
वैसा इसको कौन देगा, ये देगा, ये देगा, दो ही हो गया क्या? नहीं,
दो ही।
सेम वे इसके लिए ये देगा, ये देगा, दो ही हो गया ना।
हाँ
तो तीन फोर्स का नहीं है ना सम ये।
लेकिन क्वेश्चन लिखा है व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ कैपिटल Q फॉर सिस्टम टू बी इन इक्विलिब्रियम।
सिस्टम मींस एट फर्स्ट चार्ज, सेकंड चार्ज, थर्ड चार्ज, सब पे वो दोनों 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 फोर्स का टोटल 0 ऐसा। मतलब इस पे दो फोर्स, इस पे दो फोर्स, इस पे दो फोर्स, हर जगह पे ये टोटल क्या आना चाहिए? 0। ये क्लियर?
ओके
हाँ देखो तीन तो फोर्स है ही नहीं, तीन पोजीशन है, तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे 0, सेकंड पोजीशन पे 0, थर्ड पे भी 0। नहीं समझा अभी भी?
समझे।
ओके सी बेटर प्लीज, ये बहुत अच्छा कि आपने सब क्लियर करते जाओ। यही चैप्टर एक डेंजरस है आपके लिए, ये हो गया तो अपना बाकी सब चैप्टर एकदम परफेक्ट है, बस इसमें बहुत वैरायटी है। F12 is minus, that means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1 is Q, Q2 is capital Q. Distance between 1 and 2, is it R by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. This is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. Q1 is Q, Q3 is Q, and distance is R square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon I can cancel. 1 q I can cancel. So q upon r square by 4 is minus q upon r square. Therefore q, capital Q, is minus q upon r square into r square by 4. R square cancel. Q should be minus small q by 4. Okay. Yes, followed.
Yes, sir.
One of the beautiful sum and beautiful doubt which you had asked. Copy. Once you are done, please tell me. Aditya, your doubt got cleared?
Yes, sir.
Aryan, any doubt? Aryan Udhane?
No, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done full?
Done, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Please wait. I have to take attendance so that